You left me in a cold spin cycle. Washer broke down, full of denial. I gave you heat, you gave me smoke. Now the wires fray every word you spoke. You said it's just a fuse, it's not a break. But I saw the sparks you tried to fake. Your fridge heart never kept me cold. Now I'm done fixing what you sold. I was the socket, you were the plug. Pulled too hard, now there's no more love. You didn't call the expert in, so I became the tool again. I'm not the fixer you keep calling at midnight, when the lights die, when the door won't shut right. You only want me when you're breaking down, but I'm not your parts, I'm not your ground, I'm not your fixer. No more, no more. I scrubbed your coils, gave second chances, taped up your leaks, reset your stances. But every dial I tried to turn just led to wires that love to burn. I was the code, you skipped the screen. Error flashing, but you stayed mean. You didn't want to understand, just wanted magic from my hands. I'm not the fixer you keep calling at midnight, when the lights die, when the door won't shut right. You only want me when you're breaking down, but I'm not your parts, I'm not your ground, I'm not your fixer. No more, no more. I gave you heat, I gave you chill, I gave you every silent skill, but you just broke and blamed the tools. Well, baby, I don't fix for fools. You'll call someone new, try to reboot, but they won't fix what I compute. You'll learn the cost of every crack when I'm not here to bring you back. I'm not the fixer waiting for a call light, I'm the breaker walking out in the twilight. You only love me when you lost control, but I'm more than parts, I'm heart and soul. I'm not your fixer.